Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this really pretty makeup look. I like it, I think it's pretty, and I was really excited about it. I finally got around to filming with this and testing it out. I've had this for a while, I've wanted this for a while, but I never got around to testing it or using it or swatching it or anything like that. So I was very excited to play with this today. I was just in the mood for color. I've been really into neutral colors and neutral looks, but today I kind of wanted a little bit of color and do something a little fun for you guys. So we are using this. If you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. So I'm finishing up priming my eyes. I'm just using a little bit of concealer. I'm not going in with natural primer. I'm going to go in with this palette. This is the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. I love their palettes. I haven't used this one yet. I'm really excited. The colors are so pretty, and I wanted this for a while and I got my hands on it when it was on sale. So I'm not really sure exactly what I want to do, but I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. It is pretty dark, but I want to use it in my upper crease and just really try to buff this out. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, which is my Santi brush that I used to use all the time. I mean, I still do, but I'm gonna use a little bit. And let's start off here. Very pigmented. Okay, so I'm just going to really buff this out. I'm going to focus most of this color on the outer portion. All right, now I'm just working and buffing this up or into the crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and just add this right here, the inner portion of the lid. I'm going to go in with this color and I'm just going to pack this on where I cut my crease. This color is so pretty. Going back in with that same brush I used to lay down the first color. No additional product, I'm just going to buff this out and blend a little more. Taking a little bit of this burgundy shade, I'm going to switch brushes, something a little smaller, and I'm just going to add a little bit right here. I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here and work this into my inner tear duct. Going back in with this color, I'm going to buff and work this on the lower lash line. I want to take a little bit of this burgundy also, using the same brush, and just keeping this more on the outer portion of the lower lash line. Taking the same brush that I used to add that color in my inner tear duct, I'm not adding any additional product. I'm just going to lightly run this here. I'm going to go in with this neon Shockwave eyeliner from LA Girl in Fresh. And just run a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna go with it. I end up mixing both of these colors. The green is called Gotcha and the mint is called Fresh. I didn't really like the Fresh on its own, so. Okay, so I decided against doing a liner. I really haven't been too much into liner, but I went in with some thicker, fluffier, longer lashes. These I got off of Amazon, so I'll just link it down below for you guys because I don't know how to pronounce the name. Going in with this Juvia's Place highlighter, I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm just gonna have it down below for you guys. Going in with this MAC Springsheen Blush. I'm just going to add this onto the apples of my cheek and run it back. It's got a little bit of gold flecks in there, so it's really nice and glowy. It used to be my favorite blush for such a long time. Now I'm going to use this Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter highlighter, and I'm only going to use this for my nose to highlight. Alright, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I went in with MAC's Spice Lipliner and MAC's Velvet Teddy. Absolutely love that lipstick, that combo. I mean, I just love it so much. As far as the eyeshadow palette, I just popped myself in the face. I love this palette. I am so glad that I got it. I've been wanting it for a while, and to be honest with you guys, the reason I decided I really wanted this palette was for the shimmers. I saw the way it's swatched and they just all looked so beautiful, and there's a lot of shimmer in here. There's 6 of the 9, and the mattes in here are absolutely beautiful. It's just nice. The formula is nice, the pigmentation is nice, the colors are absolutely amazing. I didn't use too many. I only used 4 shadows in here, and I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. I do want to do another look for you guys, so hopefully you don't mind me using this again. There's just something about Juvia's Place palettes that are just so good. There's never any disappointment. With all the palettes that I have, absolutely no disappointments whatsoever. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this makeup look. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.